A blazing sun casts golden light over a desert airbase. Jets roar like mechanical dragons as they take off. Dust billows. A tall, lean pilot removes his helmet. This is Jack, Throttle, Kensington, cool, confident, and an elite fighter pilot for the UN Peace Force. In the hangar, another jet lands roughly. Out steps Damien, Thunder, Rourke, broader, scruffier, a Maverick. His smirk is half challenge, half dare. The tension between the two is immediate as they pass one another. A subtle shoulder bump. Throttle turns. You ever think of landing like someone who knows how? Thunder doesn't break stride. You ever think of shutting up like someone who doesn't have a stick up his? A voice cuts them off. Commander Rahim, a seasoned officer with an icy stare. Save it. We've got bigger problems. Inside the command tent, satellite footage shows a sleek black jet carving through international airspace, unchallenged. It moves like a phantom. That's Ghost -1, Rahim says grimly. Flown by Cade Strom. Throttle stiffens. He's dead. No, Rahim says. He's gone off-grid. Took an experimental craft and vaporized 3 patrols that tried to stop him. He's making demands. The screen switches to a broadcast. Cade Strom, unshaven, intense, eyes like a storm. Humanity stands on the brink of extinction. You will listen, or you will fall. His message is part manifesto, part threat. He wants disarmament, by force. Thunder whistles low. Guy's unhinged. He's also the best damn pilot any of us ever trained, Rahim says. Throttle, you knew him. Throttle nods, distant. We were squad mates. Until he snapped. Rahim glances between Throttle and Thunder. You two are going after him. Together. Both protest, loudly, overlapping. He's reckless. He's uptight. Exactly, Rahim cuts in. You balance each other. We can't risk solo runs. If Strom activates the weapon systems on GHOST-1, he can bring down satellites, cripple global comms. You've got one chance. Cut to the hangar. 2 jets gleam under floodlights, Throttle's sleek Falcon, Thunder's heavy, custom-built Spectre. Gear up montage. The tension is thick, words few. But once airborne, their dialogue flows through comms. You following my lead? Throttle asks. I thought we agreed you don't lead. Their jets streak through cloud cover. As they close in on a transmission relay believed to be Strom's base, missiles scream from below. Ambush. Thunder calls. They twist and bank, weaving through flak. Throttle takes one out with pinpoint precision. Thunder barrels into a canyon, leads a tailing drone into a rock wall. They land at a hidden valley. Inside, they find remnants of a test facility, and Strom's voice echoes from hidden speakers. Glad you came, Jack. Throttle flinches. You don't have to do this, Cade. Oh, but I do. You saw the world burn and you still follow orders. Strom appears. His face is lined with obsession. He's not just trying to scare the world, he believes he's saving it. You can't save it by ruling it, Thunder says. Strom eyes him. And you must be the brawler. As Strom activates a countdown, lights blink on a control panel. An orbital platform begins charging. EMP. Target. Every military satellite in the sky. Strom flees. Alarms blare. Throttle and Thunder race back to their jets. Midair, Strom's Ghost -1 intercepts them. A dogfight ignites. 3 aircraft twist and dive at hypersonic speeds. Split and bait him. Throttle shouts. Thunder climbs vertically, luring Strom into a stall. Throttle fires but misses. Strom hits Thunder's tail, flames lick the Spectre. Going down, Thunder grits. Eject. Throttle orders. Thunder resists, steering into a last turn. His jet slams into Strom's path. Throttle locks on, fires. Missiles streak and hit. Ghost -1 spirals, smoking, crashes into the cliffs. Throttle lands near the wreckage. Strom crawls out, coughing, half laughing. You think you won. Throttle kneels by him. You lost yourself. As sirens approach, Thunder limps into view, parachute dragging. Throttle helps him up. Guess I don't hate you completely, Thunder mutters. Throttle smirks. You're not so bad yourself. Overhead, the sun rises. Peace, for now.